Okay, so tayo papalitan natin ng CD. Nag-request si Mami. Yan. Okay. Alright. Pero pag sinabi ko, halimbawa sinabi ko, pretend like a bird, paano ba lumipad ang bird? Paano? Oh, lahat na, fly like a bird. Okay, lahat. Oh, yan. Ang hindi mag-pretend, out na. Kailangan lahat na kayo pretend. Okay, yung pretend niya, fly like a bird. Oh, ready? Okay, ready? Sabay-sabay mo na yung malakas. Happy birthday, Zian! Ano, ready? Ikot na tayo. Ready, get set? Yan, okay, ikot na. Yan, ikot na. Yan, ikot. Alright, yan. Okay, ate sabihin mo, happy birthday Zian.
Happy birthday, Zian.
Thank you. Salamat kuya. Thank you, Congressman. Okay, tayo na tayo. Tapos tayo ng dalawa. Okay, for this time, swim like a fish. Paano ba mag-swim ang fish? Hindi ganyan ha. O, gano'n. Yan. Ready? Sabay-sabay mo na yung malakas. Happy birthday Zian!
Happy birthday, Zian.
Go! Swim! Yan. Okay, swim! Oh, ano ba yan? Sabi ko swim. Yan, okay. Alright, ikot lang. Okay, swim! Swim like a fish, swim like a fish, swim. Ikot lang. Ayaw, wala pa, ikot lang. Ayun na! Ito na, yan, bawal na kandong mahal na gasolina. Huwag mo na kasiksik. Dito. Okay, happy birthday, Zian.
Happy birthday.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si ate. Thank you very much for joining. Okay, kayo na tayo. Ayan. Okay naman, pagaling ang nobody. Okay, ang magaling mag-nobody, may prize. Okay, ready, get set, go! Okay, game on! Sobra pa. Okay, thank you kuya. Tayo na tayo. Tayo na. Bawas tayo ng